Instagram app controls the sensitive content for the viewers and the users around on Instagram. Want to learn how to turn on or turn off sensitive content on Instagram? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now, tap on this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on these three straight horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on settings on the top. Tap on account below ads. Scroll down below browser settings. Here you can see sensitive content control. Tap on it. So you can see here are three of the phases. The first one is allow, the second one is limit default, and the third one is limit even more. The first one is where Instagram allow the sensitive content control to flow on your feeds. That means you may see more photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive. But currently on my profile and lots of other accounts, you will see this content being limit, that is default, where you may see some photos and videos that may be upsetting or offensive. But if I want to limit it even more, or if you want to limit it even more, where you may see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive, you can tap on the circle straight to limit even more section on the right corner. You can see that now you may see fewer photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive, which is going to be even more less than before. Tap on OK, above cancel. But at the same time, if I want to allow, that means if I want to see more photos and videos that could be upsetting or offensive, the same thing, I can tap on the circle on the right corner next to allow and tap on OK. So this is how you do it. This is how you limit even more or allow even more sensitive content control as per your choice on Instagram. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.